Hi everyone. Taking a quick look today at the Armattan Tadpole. It's a beautiful little 2.5-inch micro frame, as you can see here, and I'm running it with components that you've probably seen on this channel before. I've got the Beta FPV toothpick board in there, the 12 amp one, the Happy Model VTX, and a FR Sky XM Plus receiver, and Bard 1103 8000 kV motors, and HQ prop 65mm, and running this on 3S, and the Caddx Baby Ratel. First time I'm trying this out, and it's a nice camera. Works in all kinds of lighting conditions. And it's going to be a little better look at the frame here. Great camera protection, nice aluminum parts, terrific design and quality, as you'd expect from Armattan. Little rubber bit here for the antenna. It's nice. And to run these whoop style boards, you do need to get you do need to run this optional adapter, which I have here. Otherwise, it runs a native 16x16, and you can just barely squeeze in a 3-stack 16x16 in there if you want to. Really nice looking, and I was flying it today on this 3S300. Flew for about 3 to 4 minutes depending on the flying style. And this weighs 65 grams without the battery, and with this size battery it goes up to about 93 grams. So heavier than a toothpick, but it's not really a toothpick, but that doesn't mean it doesn't fly really well. And I'm not sure if it's just the frame or the excellent 4.1, but it just flew really, really well on stock PIDs. Basically no prop wash that I could get out of it in any normal flying. And yeah, a real pleasure to fly.